Hey guys, this is your letters and sounds, page 27 and 28. Alright, so let's look at number 1. It says match each picture to the letter that with which it begins. Alright, so this is a picture of a turtle. Turtle. So which letter says t? Right, this one, the letter T. This is a picture of a nut. Nut. Which letter says n? Like n? Right, this one good. This is a picture of a camel. Camel. Which picture says letter says k? This one good. This is a mailbox. Mailbox. Like good. This one good. This is a balloon. Balloon. Which letter says b? Good. This is a leaf. Leaf. Which one says ol? Good. Next, we have a sandwich. Sandwich. Which letter says Good. Next, we have a hammer. Hammer. Which one says Good. All right, on the back it says color the picture, and here's the color key. For the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U, you're going to color the animal yellow. Then for the consonants, which is T, L, B, N, M, H, S, C, if you see those, you're going to color it orange. All right, sweet friends, enjoy your day.